So this is just an aluminium tube, plated, and this cutting in there gives it a different sound. So if we were to have another stick just like that and it was a different cut, it would make a slightly different sound. And how you get the wah wah sound is that there is a hole here, so you would just press on that hole and it would change the sound. So this is what it sounds like. Now these instruments are great for sound bath. It gives it that feeling of something extraterrestrial or deep in the ocean where the whales are singing, and it just takes your mind off your normal patterns of thought, and it will give the listeners a feeling and thoughts of this strange place where you don't know what is going on and everything is new, and it just lets their mind explore the possibilities of different space and time and deep inside the ocean. So it's really good to take someone's mind into the unknown. Just let them explore their mind with a strange sound that they've never heard. So hopefully they'll trigger some thoughts that they've never had before, and hopefully they will remember the thought, and perhaps in a few days time, few weeks time, few years time, something else will trigger the memory and they will come up with something amazing. This time when they heard the sound, it might be an incomplete concept, but something in the future will trigger something else, and they will churn the two ideas together and they'll come up with an idea that'll be very useful for them at that time. This is how you can create a similar sound with a singing bowl.